When homeowners in Lexington begin exploring window replacement options, they often look for a solution that offers convenience, energy efficiency, durability, and visual appeal. Slider windows continue to be one of the most popular window styles because they combine practical functionality with a clean, modern appearance. Their easy operation, expansive views, and versatile design make them an excellent choice for many different types of homes. Whether you're updating an older property or building a new home, Slider windows offer a variety of benefits that can enhance comfort, improve energy performance, and add lasting value to your investment. Easy operation for everyday convenience. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose Slider windows is their simple and user-friendly design. Unlike windows that require lifting or cranking, Slider windows open horizontally along a smooth track. This straightforward operation makes them easy to use for people of all ages. Homeowners can open and close them with minimal effort, making them particularly convenient in frequently used areas of the home. The ease of operation also makes Slider windows a practical option for locations where reaching or lifting traditional windows may be more difficult. Excellent ventilation and airflow. Fresh air is essential for maintaining a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. Slider windows are designed to provide generous ventilation because one or more panels can slide open to create a wide opening. This allows fresh outdoor air to enter while helping stale indoor air escape. Improved airflow can make rooms feel fresher and more comfortable, especially during mild weather when homeowners want to reduce reliance on heating and cooling systems. For Lexington homeowners who enjoy natural ventilation, Slider windows provide an effective way to improve air circulation throughout the home. Expansive views of the outdoors. Another major advantage of Slider windows is their ability to maximize views. Because they feature large glass panels and fewer frame components than some other window styles, they provide broad, unobstructed sightlines. Whether overlooking a backyard, garden, or neighborhood scenery, Slider windows allow homeowners to enjoy more of the outdoors from inside their homes. These expansive views can help rooms feel more open while creating a stronger connection between indoor and outdoor living spaces. Increased natural light. Natural light can dramatically improve the atmosphere of a home. Bright rooms often feel larger, more inviting, and more enjoyable to spend time in. Slider windows maximize glass area, allowing abundant sunlight to enter living spaces. This increased daylight can reduce the need for artificial lighting during daytime hours while enhancing the overall appearance of the home's interior. Many homeowners appreciate the way Slider windows brighten living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and family spaces. Energy efficiency benefits. Modern Slider windows are designed to support energy efficiency and year-round comfort. Many models include advanced features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E glass coatings, insulated frames, weather-resistant seals, gas-filled glass units. These technologies help reduce heat transfer and improve insulation. During warmer months, they help limit heat entering the home, while during cooler periods, they help retain indoor warmth. Improved energy efficiency can contribute to a more comfortable home while potentially reducing heating and cooling costs. Low maintenance requirements. Homeowners often prefer products that require minimal upkeep. Slider windows are known for their relatively simple design and low maintenance needs. Routine cleaning of the glass and tracks is typically all that is required to keep them functioning properly. Many modern Slider windows are manufactured using durable materials such as vinyl and fiberglass that resist weather-related wear, moisture damage, and fading. This combination of durability and easy maintenance makes Slider windows an attractive long-term investment. Ideal for many areas of the home, Slider windows are highly versatile and can be installed in a variety of locations. Their horizontal operation makes them particularly well suited for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, basements, home offices, family rooms. Because they do not swing outward when opened, they are also an excellent choice for areas near patios, walkways, decks, or landscaping features where exterior clearance may be limited. Enhancing home value and curb appeal. Replacing old windows is often viewed as a worthwhile home improvement project. Slider windows offer a sleek appearance that can modernize a home's exterior while improving functionality inside. Potential buyers frequently appreciate updated windows that provide energy efficiency, attractive aesthetics, and ease of operation. As a result, professionally installed slider windows may contribute to increased home value and improved market appeal. A smart choice for Lexington Homes slider windows have earned their popularity among Lexington homeowners by delivering an ideal combination of style, comfort, and practicality. Their easy operation, excellent ventilation, expansive views, and energy-efficient performance make them a valuable addition to many types of homes. For homeowners seeking a window solution that enhances both everyday living and long-term property value, slider windows offer a dependable and attractive option that can provide benefits for years to come.